Beef liver curry, Pakistani style. In the name of Allah, the most magnificent, the most merciful. My heartiest greetings and welcome to my channel with another mouth-watering recipe that is beef liver curry in Pakistani restaurant style. First of all, wash and cut beef liver in small pieces. We must add animal organs in our diet once in a month for good health. It's done. Next I am going to crush fresh turmeric. If you don't have, you can use turmeric powder. Fresh ginger, garlic paste. It's a must add in every meat and organs curries. Now drizzle some oil in an iron wok. Add beef liver and fry. If you are watching my recipe for first time, please subscribe and follow for more traditional recipes. Frying the liver will reduce cooking time, and liver cooked this way is tender and delish. Now dish it out and set aside. Add curry leaves and leftover oil and let it splutter. Then add onions and fry. Feeling sluggish every day may be a sign that you lack essential micronutrients. Beef liver is loaded with nutrients that have been shown to support energy, including vitamin B12, riboflavin vitamin B2, niacin vitamin B3, vitamin C, iron and magnesium. When the onions become translucent, add ginger, garlic and crushed turmeric to it. Now add tomato paste. Now add spices, red chili powder, coriander powder, salt, and cumin powder. If you reach this part of recipe, accept a special thanks. Please give a thumbs up so that I can get more viewers. Add some water so that everything melt together. When the masala is cooked fully, add fried liver to it. Now add some water and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Add black pepper powder as per taste. Add garam masala powder in the end for taste and aroma. Garnish with green chili and fresh coriander leaves. This is the final look. Hope you liked the recipe. See you soon with another tantalizing recipe. Up till then, take care.